Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the essentials so streaming works smoothly. Make sure your iPhone and Mac run compatible, updated OS versions, and join the same Wi-Fi. Once done, enable Airplay receiver on the Mac from System Settings General Airplay and Handoff so the Mac can accept streams. Now return to your iPhone and open Control Center. This is where you'll select the Mac. Proceed immediately. Don't stop to tinker with other settings yet. We need the connection active first. Next, open Control Center on your iPhone and tap Screen Mirroring or the Airplay icon. This lists available receivers. Select your Mac by name. If you see a 4-digit code on the Mac, enter it on the iPhone to pair securely. After connection, decide whether to mirror the screen or use the Mac as a separate display, and pick the Mac for audio output if needed. Adjust resolution and scaling on the Mac for performance. Take a moment to confirm latency and audio sync before proceeding with heavy media. To finish, stop mirroring from Control Center when done or disconnect Airplay in the app you're using. This releases resources on both devices. If performance is poor, lower the streaming resolution or move nearer to the Wi-Fi router and consider using a 5 GHz band for less interference. One key troubleshooting tip. If video lags or audio is out of sync, toggle Airplay off and on, then restart Wi-Fi on both devices. That usually clears handshake problems without deeper changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.